For those who maybe didn't watch my live yesterday, I tried to do a reverse flower dip with Floetrol as my pouring medium, and as you can see, the result is quite different. So I promise that I will do same colors with my pouring medium. How can we, let's tell that this is Fiona's pouring medium. So I will try to do the same with Fiona's pouring medium. How I mix it you can see in my video number 208. I will just try to find center just to start. I will not talk a lot about my pattern and everything, so you can see in my live video. So I have this carmine deep and cadmium red middle hue, and I have vermilion, and probably I did a different order last time, so I have to fix this. So let's start with yellow. This is transparent yellow. And orange, vermilion, we will see how different this one will look, and pearl white that I like because I get this nice effects with it that I didn't get with Floetrol. So we will do this one to see the difference between Floetrol and my pouring medium. I don't know if I did just the same pattern, but it's near the one that I did yesterday in my life. So effects should be anyway. I layer paints like this, except the middle one I did the opposite way. I don't know why, but now it's too late. So my next live will be, as I told yesterday, on Sunday again, and I will use PVA glue as my pouring medium to see how this works, because a lot of you who watch my channel tell me, oops, what do I have here, that you don't get, it's a cat's hair, the same results as I do. So I decided that I will do this experiment for you and for me to see if my pouring medium is does the magic, or maybe it's just a color combination that you use, I don't know. we will see if this will create lacing as I normally get, so I can say that it's Floetrol don't work as my pouring medium for flower dips, so that's why I want to do this experiment to be sure. And I again go a little more to one side with my flower like yesterday. So I will just stop here. Just a second, I have to grab my paper towel. I show what kind of paper towels I use in my yesterday's live video, so you can check it there, and how much I spray it you can check there too, so feel free to watch my yesterday's live video to get some more informations. And I just didn't place down my paper napkin, okay, but I will have to deal with it again. And now press your paint towards the sides. Maybe I should do this on a black background, it probably would look better, but I just mixed white base coat yesterday, so with Floetrol, so I have to do it with white again because we want to see the difference. It's already different, but I see some thing that I have to. You see, already getting this lacing effects that I didn't get yesterday. So while we are waiting a little bit, I will just pour some white paint here where I miss it. I pull it off with my paper napkin. This will level out, so I will not bother with this much more. I just have to bring this cat's hair out, because okay, you can already see that the effects are quite different. With Floetrol I got this kind of selling effect if I would use silicone, but I don't use silicone in any of my paints for flower dips. Neither here, neither with Floetrol, so definitely it is a big change, big difference between two of them. This one is half dry already, so it's a little different, but this lacing that you can see, and I will show it to you on a close-up, it's definitely isn't here. Here are more cells. You see, it's like, I don't know, this one reacts totally different. I did lost some of my yellow, I don't know why, but as you can, if you pour, you know that you almost never get the exact same result, so I just throw a hair in here. I have to pick it out. Okay, so I definitely like my pouring medium more than Floetrol, because I just don't get the same effects with Floetrol. So let me take you down. So maybe when you talk about not getting this result that you see on my video, maybe it's just my pouring medium. You see, this center is just gorgeous, because I didn't get any of this beautiful lacing with Floetrol. So this is Fiona's pouring medium. I just love it. And this is Floetrol. You see the difference? I did get a little of this lacing, but it doesn't look as nice as it looks with my pouring medium. Or this is just my opinion. I just tell you what I see. So comparison, totally different. Some of my paints blends a little more here, but I like this look much more than this one. So I will not switch to Floetrol, definitely not, because this is my favorite pouring medium. So this is done. If you want to join me on Sunday, I will put in my community center which colors I will use, what I will use as my pouring medium, so you can maybe paint with me live on Sunday. So check my community tab. This, I don't know, I probably will publish the things that I will use on Wednesday, so that you will have time to prepare it. So but I will do some more videos this week. So don't be afraid. This is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.